Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. Today I'm going to use fermented corn dough to make perfect Hausa Koko, and I hope you like it. As I always say, no long talk biao, ibi tiu. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to blend my fermented corn dough with hot chili, black pepper, cloves, and ginger together. I'm adding my chili, some cloves, and black pepper. I'm using the powdered one, but you can use the black peppercorn. I'm adding some water to it. I'll add my ginger, and then blend it. I'm done blending it. I'm going to strain it and then remove the chaps. Now I'm done. I will let it sit for about 1 hour for the base to settle. One hour later, it has settled down. I'm going to use the water to make my Hausa Koko. So because I'm using fermented corn dough, I don't have to let it sit for about a day or two for it to ferment because it has already fermented. So I'm using it today. I've added some water to it. I'm going to let it boil. I'll check my base. I'll stir it because it has set to the bowl. I'll stir it very well and then reduce some of the base. So if I mix the Hausa Koko and the Hausa Koko is too light, I can add some of the base to it to make it thicker. Now I'll check my water. It's boiling. I'm going to pour it into the base. Make sure your water is hot, is piping hot. Now I will stir it very fast to prevent lumps. My cocoa is perfect. I'll add some of the base. I'm done stirring it. No lumps in it. Now I'm going to cover it with cling film and then let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll serve it. Cocoa is ready now. I'm going to serve it with kose, but cocoa goes with a lot of things. It goes with kose, masa, pinkaso, tugbe, puff puff, peanut. I mean a lot. And this cocoa, nobody's gonna know that I used corn dough unless I tell that person that I used corn dough, or you watching me that know that I used corn dough, and the taste is the same as Hausa Koko. You never know that I used corn dough, only fermented corn dough to make this Hausa Koko. I hope you will try it and you'll like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. And subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed so we keep popping with yumminess. Till next time, peace.